Gamer.
Yasmin Gamer.
Marco Gamer. All of us, so yeah. Hello, everybody. These are my friends, Marco, Jasmine. Today we're doing
Lava lamps.
lava lamps.
Alright, so what are the ingredients that we need today to make some lava lamps?
Oil,
We got oil,
water.
we got some water, we got some food coloring. First, grab your water cups and pour them into your tall glasses in there where the oil is.
Wow. The water is dropping actually.
Yeah, the water goes down because it's less dense than oil.
Next is
Oil floats up. So let's go ahead and put some drops of food coloring.
yes. I mean yes. Yes. I have more than 6 drops. Oh, mine's starting already.
Go ahead and drop it.
My
See, once the tablet hits the water, it starts.
oh my goodness,
Fizzing.
it's the volcano. I told you it was yellow. Oh my goodness, it's turning
Oh
orange.
my god, it turned orange. It was yellow, now it's orange.
It's going in. It's going in different stages now.
It's orange soda.
Look at the top.
Exploding.
Look at the top.
That looks great.
Okay. Well, this is yours. It will change to different colors too. Oh my goodness, it's working. It's working. Oh shit. It's working. It's changing into black, I think. Oh yeah, it is.
It's not black, it's blue.
Yeah, but changing it's black already.
It's blue.
It's
Wow.
dark blue. I want to see what happens.
Mine was red and now it's orange.
Right now, the top of mine looks like acid. Okay, my turn.
Yours look like orange soda. Mine's
Oh my
like
goodness,
black.
I did all 3. I did all 3. I put 3 in there. Oh my goodness, now it looks. Oh my goodness, mine's like a sand. Oh my goodness, fire needle! Oh, that is cool. Fire needle! Sandstorm. Flood.
What did y'all learn today, guys?
When it keeps on going, it stops and bubbles come up. And for me, mine has sprinkles like on donuts.
Why do you think the water and the oil separated and then mixed together?
Because water is denser than oil.
I learned mixing
When you mix
oil with water and food coloring.
Don't
and
you wrap
mix,
it up? Because we're still doing
lava
it.
lamps.
Yeah, and these Alka Seltzer, they make gas when it hits water. So when the gas starts floating up, it carries the water up through the oil, and that's what
My
makes
goodness,
those little lava
now
lamps
it's
look like.
absorbing on mine. Look! Xander Gamer.
Yasmin Gamer.
Marco Gamer.